do you feel a problem when people sexualize you a lot more than they should?
You know, I actually had a conversation with the Paps a couple of days ago. I met them privately and I was speaking to them about how sometimes they photograph women. And I said, ये हमारे लिए तो बुरा है ही, हमें अच्छा नहीं लगता है. It's invasive and we feel it's non-consensual. Even if we've dressed up and gone out a certain way, we are not anticipating कि कोई कैमरा डाल के एक एरिया पे zoom करेगा. But more than us, it reflects badly on you guys, that y'all are commodifying a woman's body against her will. How do you respect yourself? Okay, for money, for views, you are zooming in on a body part, and they seemed pretty receptive and they seemed pretty aware. And
it's not about them, it's about larger consumption. Larger consumption in any country around the world is sexualized content in any shape and form. Like, not exaggerating to porn, but anything which has to do, anything which is objectifying women's body, that's the highest consumed content. And that's why people actually rotate these things more. And because unfortunately, you are a public figure in the world of glamour, people will do that way more to you than other women. But does it bother you? This is the reality that you know, but does it bother you?
I think at any and every stage, it's important to ask yourself, what did I consent to? So, for example, I did a song called Bhigi Sari, where I'm in a wet sari and like I'm dancing pretty sensually. The idea for that was, I wouldn't say to titillate, but it was a sensual song. I think if someone looked at that and said, I'm not attracted to this chick, I would feel maybe offended. But that's very different from sexualizing someone, especially without their consent. That in any and every form, I'm not okay with. And that does bother me.
Explain the latter.
It's like this, no? It's like, okay, I've worn something that seems pretty appropriate to me in the mirror. I have the freedom to wear whatever the hell I want to wear. I step out, but there are angles and there are ways in which it is captured without my knowledge or consent and circulated. And they put some music and they put some slow-mo and they put some zoom. That's not my consent. Even on movie sets, if a DOP puts a camera in some place that I'm not okay with, I should be able to say, nahi chalega, mujhe nahi chahiye. Without me seeming unprofessional.
But बोल पाती है?
धीरे-धीरे, हाँ. मैं ना जान गई हूँ. I know. Sometimes I've been polite and I've been like, I need to pick my battles and I'll fight them. But now I'm a little bit like, मैं मेरा जुगाड़ निकाल दूंगी. I'll make my point clear some way or the other, but it's important for me to seem polite while I do so.
And when you know this is the reality and you get to see these comments and slow-mos and these videos which are hypersexualized without your consent, what questions do you ask yourself? Do you ever ask कि maybe मैं सही फील्ड में हूँ, गलत फील्ड में हूँ, maybe मैं कपड़े ऐसे पहनूँ नहीं पहनूँ, maybe मैं बाहर निकलूँ नहीं निकलूँ, maybe मैं I should stop giving about it? Like, do you ask these questions?
No, so I can't afford to stop giving a fuck about it, because the perception that's created as a result of all of these things affects the audiences, affects the filmmakers, and affects the kind of opportunities I get in my professional life.
Explain.
For example, मैं 10 बार एक compromising outfit में, you've seen me. Revealing angles, Janhvi Kapoor, slip and this and that and all of that. The audience starts forming a perception about a woman's character based on how she dresses. It's a tragedy, it's wrong, but it is what it is. Filmmakers do the same. They have a certain idea of what a heroine should look like, feel like. लज्जा होना चाहिए, ये होना चाहिए, और अगर बिकिनी में दिखेगी तो सिर्फ बड़े पर्दे पर हमारे फिल्म में दिखेगी, ये तो रोज़ दिख रही है बिकिनी के इक्विवेलेंट में, तो क्यों कास्ट करूँ वगैरह वगैरह. And also they gauge how likable you are to an audience. If the audience is saying, oh nahi, iska character dheela hai, to a filmmaker will also be like, okay, maybe I can't cast her because the audience thinks of her like this. This is now just the tragedy of the human mind and the way that our society works. I wish it was different. I know that if a girl chooses to walk around in a bikini, it has very little to do with the values that she actually holds.
Absolutely.
So what was your question? So I mean, that's the explanation of what I was trying to say.
What questions do you ask yourself when you get to know that this
that
is a
was
part
your
of-
question.
See, this is the part. You can't. Sadly, we live in a society where people will judge
Your character.
your character, your values, the kind of person you are by the clothes that you wear, which is sad. We want to change it, but this is what it is. And it's changing a little bit.
I
but
think it
not
is
like
changing
not
a
like a
little,
lot.
yeah.
Right? You know this reality. And you still have to show up in front of the same filmmakers, in front of the same people, in front of the same audience. And somehow you have to actually impress them as well. What
Can I tell
questions do you... Yeah.
Can I tell you, like in the past month or 2 months,
Hmm.
I've gone to every extreme to not get photographed.
Because of this?
Maybe a little bit. But I also felt like I had 3 releases consecutively every month last year. I think maybe people had too much of me, and I started feeling bored of my own face, you know.
इतना देख लिया.
हाँ, मैं हो गया यार. चुपचाप सुमड़ी में काम करती हूँ, and it's not easy because although people say कि हाँ खुद मीडिया बुलाते हैं और बुलाते होंगे, मैं नहीं बुलाती हूँ other than when it's a film promotion. But yeah, so I've gone to extreme lengths to be seen as little as possible. But there's so many visuals of me already populated out there that you don't feel like I've really gone anywhere. And
Same video वापस डाल देंगे. 6 महीने
हाँ,
बाद
yeah,
same,
and I think that is a result of little bit. I didn't like how I was being consumed by people because of these visuals, because of these AI, this and that, and matlab, I posted something day before yesterday, wo bhi 10, and I wouldn't think. I'm like, yeah, oh my god, I look hot, let's post it. 10 बार सोच के, because I'm wearing shorts or something, I was like, इसका कुछ AI निकल सकता है, इसका कुछ नहीं, वो crop करता है, हाँ, और वो video को भी crop कर दो, and all of those things. But what to do now? I wish I could say I don't care and it doesn't matter, but it does. It does.
And how do you make peace with it then?
Right now, I'm not in the position of power where I can say I don't care and people will want to work with me despite whatever the hell I put out. So I need to make that compromise. I'll be like, you know, I'll play it safe. I'll do what I have to till I earn that respect, get that credibility, do the work that I want. And then when I feel like I can say कि नहीं यार, मैं खुद की करूँगी, मुझे जो पहनना है, जो करना है करूँगी, people will see me for who I am. And it's a safe space. It's not that scenario right now.
थैंक यू सो मच ये वीडियो एंड तक देखने के लिए, और ऐसे ही इन्फॉर्मेशनल एंड एजुकेशनल क्लिप्स के लिए राजशमानी क्लिप्स चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए.